we're going to make 2 different earrings. So, we're starting out with an eye pin. And we are going to go ahead and open it by twisting it open like that. So it'll look like that. I have some of these little beads that I got off of a bracelet that already have a head pin in it. And all it is a head pin, and it's curled up real tight. And then we twist it back shut. Put our pearl on. Put our crystal on. Put that on. And I'm going to show you how they did that head pin on this one. All they did, instead of wrapping it, we're just going to roll it. It's rolled. I just rolled it down like that. So then, and I don't have this one open. I thought I had it open. Hold it back. It's going to be thicker to put it on this way, but I was going to show you how they joined those beads. There. So I've already got another one started. I'll show you again how they did this one. I bought it off of a bracelet at AC Moore. There was a beaded bracelet, and I wanted the beads on it, and I had some left, so it was a whole lot cheaper to buy that bracelet than it was to buy a whole strand of beads at that time. I don't know if they were on sale or what. And you just roll it down and make a loop. I thought I had an earwire out there. I'm going to have to get 2 more earwires. It on and then twist it back. We're going to take I think this is Carnelian or something like that. I thought this little crystal would be pretty on it. That's Swarovski's. It's a hard name to say. pronounce that, but that's a Swarovski and that's a Swarovski. And those are Carnelian, I think. If memory serves me. It's been a while. And on this one, I'm going to do what I normally do. Bring it down, and we're going to wrap it around. Some of these I can build fairly easy, some of them are hard. So I must have bought different air wires from different places or something, or different head pins. Sometimes if you nick it, ooh, now that one went flying across the room. I didn't have my finger on it. There's that one. Let's put it on the ear wire. This one's harder than the last one. It doesn't want to bend. So it had to be an ear wire I got from, a head pin that I got from somewhere else. Because that feels like steel to me. I have to use the pliers with that. The other one wrapped right around. Shooting off fireworks outside. Some of the neighbors, I guess. I can hear them. Well, this will take a little longer than that to hold it. Just wrapped around with my thumb. Careful not to get your crystals.